for those stones that are very, very big, we have three treatment modalities. The first one is soundwave lithotripsy. Soundwave lithotripsy. With that one, a beam of wave is targeted at the back. Then you radiate those waves inside your kidneys in order to break down these stones for you to urinate it outside. And also we have ureteroscopy. With ureteroscopy, a scope is being passed through your ureters. Then it will go through your kidneys. Then they will target where the stones are. Then they will try to remove it, bring it outside, or they will crush it for you to urinate it outside. Then the next thing is surgery. These surgeries are mostly done for those big stones like this. You see that this one is very, very big. For the stones that are very small, we encourage you to be taking a lot of water. And sometimes if you are experiencing intense pain, we will give you some pain medications. So that one is for the stones that are very small. At some point, you'll be able to urinate these small stones outside.